Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. So today I just want to share with you my new coffee bar space, and I really like it. So the coffee bar piece of furniture itself I picked up at Home Goods, and Home Goods is such a great place to look for little pieces of furniture. And if you don't have a Home Goods like TJ Maxx, Ross, all the same thing. So where I used to have my coffee bar, I've now turned into a little dog space, and my old coffee bar is now my epoxy cart. So I still repurposed everything and then added this is new. And then my chalkboard here, that is repurposed from a picture that I picked up on clearance, and I made a chalkboard sign. I use chalkboard paint. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to put in it. So I know the wall looks a little bit bare with just that, but I've ordered some frames. I'm going to do 6 pictures, 3 on either side of the chalkboard, and they're going to be black and white pictures of my grandkids. So I think that's going to be really pretty on there. And then I've got my plant there beside it. So I have this really nice stand here, and I got this at TJ Maxx. Super cute, and it's nice because it gives me room to put some stuff underneath it, but then I have space over top. I'm starting to add some Halloween vibes in, so got a few things I need to do though. This, I made a video on my grandkids, and it is epoxy. I need to wipe it down. It's got coffee on it. And then my little Starbucks coasters here. These came from AliExpress. And I did do a video for my little coffee syrup containers here. And they're super cute. And then my grinders back there, along with my carafe. And so this one is like a chef's cabinet, and it has handles on it for like towels, and then the drawers. So I have, coffee filters, different things for my Keurig, and then these are like just different coffee sleeves that I have, and then the tops. And then in this drawer, I have just some, different little things. I have space for other stuff still. And then my shelves, that one is some cups. And then I put a basket on these other shelves so that I could just sort of like add stuff to them. And then in these little spaces here, I found these perfect size clear containers. Great for coffee, tea. So I've got different types of coffee in them. And I did pick up one for each of the spaces. There's 2 different kinds. So I found this kind here, and then these ones with a little lip. And then I have some empty ones still that I can, add some stuff to. And this definitely turned out really, really cute. I love it. I moved my chair out of the way so that I could stand in front of the table. So don't mind that chair leg there. If you see it, you might not see it when I do the editing, we'll see. But I think that this will look really nice with like the pictures on there, like a collage of pictures around them. And I'm gonna do just like the 6 to start, 3 on each side, because that way I have the sides to do, you know, add other pictures to and make it like a collage wall. So yeah, so here is my new coffee bar. I hope you like it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and cheers. I hope you have a happy long weekend. Bye, friends.